If you're looking for a powerful tool to help grow your brand online, podcasting might just be what you need. Hi, I'm Bridget from Riverside, and in this video, we'll discuss 10 reasons why podcasting is such a valuable asset for building your brand. Number one is that podcasting allows you to establish a personal connection with your audience. Through podcasting, you can speak and engage directly with your listeners, creating an intimate and authentic experience that can't be replicated through other mediums. This personal connection can help you build a loyal following and grow your brand over time. As you continue to produce high-quality content, you'll be able to establish yourself and your brand as an expert in your field, leading to increased trust from your audience and potential clients or customers. Secondly, podcasts are actually a really convenient way for people to consume content. Many listen to podcasts while they are driving, exercising, or doing household chores. So podcasting is a great way to reach busy audiences who are always on the go. Podcasts have a long shelf life, which makes them a valuable asset for businesses. Unlike social media posts that quickly disappear from people's feeds, podcasts can be accessed and enjoyed for years to come. In fact, podcasts often become evergreen pieces of content that continue to attract new listeners long after they are released. This means that every time you create a podcast episode, you're creating a valuable resource that can continue to benefit your business or brand for years to come. Podcasting can be a powerful source of passive income for your business. Once you've built a loyal following and established your brand as an expert in your field, you can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and other income streams. This means that your podcast can continue to generate income for your business long after it's been recorded and released. Podcasting can also open up new doors and opportunities for your brand. By featuring guests on your podcast, you can establish relationships with other experts in your field and build your network. You may also be invited to speak at events or interviewed on other podcasts, which will help you reach new audiences and grow your brand even further. Another advantage of podcasting is that it can generate multiple pieces of social content. You can repurpose your podcast episodes into short video clips, audiograms, or blog posts that can be shared on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This makes it easier to keep up with your brand's online presence and reach new audiences on multiple platforms. Analytics can help you better understand and learn about your brand's target audience. By tracking metrics like listener demographics, engagement levels, and listening habits, you can gain valuable insights into what your audience likes and dislikes and tailor your brand's contents to meet their needs and preferences. Podcasting provides a platform for storytelling. By sharing your brand's story through podcasting, you can connect with your audience on a deeper level and build a stronger brand identity. Plus, storytelling is a proven way to captivate and engage listeners, making podcasting the perfect medium for sharing your brand's narrative. Podcasting can help increase brand authority and credibility. By consistently sharing valuable and informative content on your podcast, you can establish your brand as an expert in your field. For example, if you own a makeup company and create a podcast comparing different makeup brands, your consumers are going to see your brand as the authority within that niche. Finally, podcasting is a relatively low-cost and accessible way to create high-quality content that can help you grow your brand. With just a microphone, some online recording software, a camera, and some basic editing skills, you can produce professional-sounding audio and video content that engages your audience and helps you achieve your business goals. To learn how to completely record and edit a podcast online, check out the video linked above. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.